Welcome to another Simple Dad Signal tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a story from your Signal app. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So deleting a story from Signal works the same way like Instagram stories or Snapchat stories. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to open up your Signal app. Next you want to tap on your Stories tab here, the bottom right. Now you'll come to this page here where you'll see My Stories and all your other connection stories. So you want to tap on My Stories. Here I've got 2 stories. Now to delete any of these stories, you need to tap on the 3 dot here, the right hand side. Then tap on Delete. Once you do this, you'll get this prompt here at the bottom. It'll ask you if you want to delete the story. So go ahead and tap on Delete. This will then delete the story from My Story section. And that is how to delete stories from the Signal app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.